Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make this pointed sleeve cap, and if you've not watched my video on how to make this false bottom placket, I'll put the link on the description box below so you check it out later. So here we'll be starting out with modifying our basic bodice pattern. So there's a little modification here before we start making the sleeve pattern. So on the shoulder line, you're going to be reducing 1 inch from whatever your shoulder measurement you have here, like so. So on this 3 inches above the bust line, that is where your modification stops. So you reduce it from here and you cut it out like so. So when you're done doing that, it will help your sleeve to stay on your shoulder and not to be falling out, since it has a lot of allowances to it. So here is my piece of fabric I'm going to be making my sleeve on. So first of all, you're going to need to mark 3 inches out, and then from that 3 inches you mark there, you're going to be marking 5 inches as you do on your normal sleeve cap. So you mark this out, and when you're done doing that, the next thing for you to do is to impute your round sleeve measurement. If you have 6.5 as your round sleeve measurement, you will need to add ½ inch to your sleeve. So then you add your seam allowance, and what you need to do next is to mark 1 inch away from your round sleeve measurement. Then you're going to be marking 3 inches above the 3 inches you measured above your sleeve cap, and then from here you're going to be measuring 1.5 inch above, like so. So you're going to move this up like so. So this is just like a reference mark to help you curve your sleeve. So you curve it towards this area, and then you connect it to the 3 inches you marked above. So this is how you mark your sleeve cap. So you're going to be cutting this out, and then below here you're just going to impute your round sleeve measurement and then your seam allowance. Then you make all the connections necessary like so, and then you're going to be cutting this out. When you cut the sleeve out, you're going to hem the bottom part, and then also you're just going to join the side seam, and then at the top here you're going to measure ½ inch in and measure down to the 3 inches you marked there and sew down like a dot, like I've just done here. As you can see, I've sewn this area as well. This will help your sleeve to stand pointed and to have a more mature look to it. So we're going to start this off right now. So as you can see, I've sewn my sleeve from the armpit up to the sleeve, to the shoulder part, and from here, from the midpoint of where I joined the back and front bodice, I'm just going to measure 1.5 inch on each side towards the bodice. Then I'll join the mid part of my sleeve and match it to the shoulder part like so, and at this point I'm going to be pleating in towards this area like so, and at the other side as well you need to pleat towards the shoulder as well, so that your shoulder point will stand just like I've done here. I've managed to finish pleating and sewing this area, so I'm just going to wear this and show you how it looks. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out my video on how to make this false bottom plackets as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys. Bye.